Namaste, welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen. Today I'm so excited to turn ever popular recipe of India, Golgappa, also known as Pani Puri, and in some part of India, Puchka, and there are many other names. And I'm going to turn Golgappa into a dessert. So basically I'm making chocolate Golgappas. So let's begin. Here I have some puris ready. I have already shared the video on how to make puris for pani puris, which you can watch at the end of this video. Before I start melting chocolate, I'm going to prepare this Golgappas. Just poke from the top to make the hole to stuff the fruits or whatever you want to stuff, even the whipped cream. So, and also it will help to hold like this to dunk into the chocolate to coat the Golgappas really well. Here I have taken dark chocolate and white chocolate. I usually prefer to add coconut oil or just a regular cooking oil if you don't have coconut oil on hand. Just a little amount, and then melt chocolate to get the smooth texture. And ready to melt into the microwave. First I'm going to work on dark chocolate. So here I have melted the chocolate really well, and it looks like the whole chocolate when you melt, but when you start stirring you can get the nice smooth chocolate. So do not overheat at any point thinking that it's not melted, but it will melt really fast with the heat of bowl as well. And now take one Golgappa at a time and coat as much as you can, like so, and then simply just put it on wax paper. So I'm just going to finish with the rest of the Golgappa. I'm just going to make few only right now. Perfect. And here I have white chocolate ready. Perfect. And now dunk into the white chocolate the Golgappa puris basically. Yum. Looks amazing. So pretty easy to follow the steps if you have the right ingredients. Now here I have cranberries and grapes. You can just chop however you like. Here I also got some peppermint. Tastes amazing in this dessert. Now I'm going to use just a half of banana, and I'm just going to cut into slices. I'm also going to use peach. I'm just going to slice it. And now it's time to decorate. So I'm going to whip up some cream at the bottom. For healthier option, you can also use yogurt. Next, I'm going to put slice of banana and sliced grape and cranberries, like so. And now it's time to put Golgappa on top. Looks amazing, isn't it? And then slice of peach. On the white Golgappa dessert, I'm going to drizzle strawberry syrup. And look at this yummy looking dessert now. or you can drizzle chocolate syrup. So here I have my Golgappa dessert ready. I can't wait to dig into this dark chocolate Golgappa with cream and fruit. Tastes amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to make puris for pani puris. Today I'm going to show you how to make puris for pani puris. A very foolproof recipe that you won't go wrong if you follow the tips and the recipe properly. So let's begin. So let's look at the ingredients. Only 3 ingredients needed to prepare the dough. All you need is half cup of rava, also known as semolina or soji, half cup of whole wheat flour and water. Into the mixing bowl, take rava, whole wheat flour, mix really well. Next, add water as you go, little at a time, and prepare the dough. Not too hard, not too soft. Kind of a bhakri dough. So you can see that it has already formed into the dough. Perfect. So this is how the dough should be. You can see that it is not too hard and not too soft. So it took about 1/4 cup of water form into nice ball and cover with damp towel and allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. Alright, the dough has been resting for about 25 minutes and I'm going to roll and fry the puris now. So let's check. Knead it one more time and make about lemon size of balls. And while you are working, make sure to keep it covered. So here I have my rolling board, rolling pin and dry flour. I'm using rice flour, you can just use plain flour. So dust a little bit of a dry flour. And press the ball as much as you can from the sides to seal all the cracks, and then roll. Don't roll too thin, keep it a little bit thicker because you want puffed puris as much as you can. Some won't puff up, but that's fine. You just want to try your best that most puris puff up. And in order to do that, roll a little bit thicker, not too thick though. Perfect, like so. And then using something round, you can just use about anything. Just make sure that the diameter is not too big and that you can easily cut the puris. Then just remove the extra part, and so you will have all the puris left like so. Heat up the oil on a medium to high heat. When the oil is hot, start frying the puris. Don't worry if not all puris puff up. Wow, all of them puffed up nice. Now make sure to fry properly until you see light golden brown color. Otherwise they will be soft. You want them crunchy. They're hard to flip on the other side because they puff up like a pillow, but be sure to get brown color on both sides. When done, bring down onto the side to drain extra oil and bring it down on to the paper towel. So most of my puris are puffing up nicely, as you can see. So here I have all the puffed puris, and so far these are the puris I have that did not puff up. Alright, so I'm done frying all the puris. These are the puris that puffed nicely, which I can use to stuff in. So let me show you. Just poke lightly on the top to fill it in. Look at all these puris. Now you are ready to prepare golgappas, also known as puchka, also known as pani puri. So just prepare the mint water. I have already shared the recipe of making puris and the pani for pani puris, and I found this recipe quite easier than the one that I shared earlier. So I thought I need to share this with you all, and believe me or not, in the very first attempt you will be so satisfied with this recipe. Ever since I got my air fryer, I can make golgappas so easily. So these days I am just experimenting a lot of recipes of golgappas with different twists. Here I have ready golgappas. They come in a pack and they are already dried. I had so many people asking whether homemade golgappas would work. I haven't tried yet, but it's worth trying. I'm going to try one day. Basically, you can make golgappas, dry them up just like you make papad and papadis, and then probably try in air fryer or microwave, whatever is your preference. So I'm going to preheat air fryer for 3 minutes. Once you have preheated your fryer for 3 minutes, when you fry golgappa, you just set up for 2 or 3 minutes. If you like brown golgappas, 3 minutes. For just a regular color golgappas, you can set up for 2 minutes only. Now air fryers may vary, so you can just play around with it, and the first batch may not come out as per your desire. I have been using air fryer to fry golgappas for long enough now, so that I know how much time it takes for me to get golgappas done. And also, if you don't have air fryer, you can fry these golgappas in oil. I buy this ready golgappa pack from Indian grocery. Before I had some other brand, Radhe or something. This time it's a Sri Ji brand, but they all work almost pretty much same way. Here I have Radhe brand golgappa pani puri puris. This is how they come. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to coat all these puris with oil. So just a half teaspoon or so, less than half teaspoon, and then just roll them into the oil. This step is optional, but if you coat these puris with oil, puris will come out soft crispy and not hard or chewy crispy. And here I have the air fryer. I'm going to remove the air fryer pan. Arrange golgappa puri into the single layer. Like so. And pop the air fryer pan back into the air fryer. And set the air fryer at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. And start. When you start hearing the golgappa flying into the air fryer, that's the time they are almost done. So be sure to check your golgappas and look at all the golgappas puffed really nice. So here I have my air fried golgappas ready. Do let me know what you think about this recipe, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel for new recipe videos every week, please do so now. And also please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching and see you soon.